Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I am back with the Walmart Summer Beauty boxes. It's not quite summer yet, so now they're ahead of the game. I already opened them. They're identical, so I'm not going to waste time on both of them. They came really quickly. Like, I got notified of the withdrawal from my account the very end of May, and I was in Ireland, so they had to have come before June 10th. So that's really good. So within 2 weeks of when they charged me is when they came. They must both be classic, and I must change my profile because I go in there and then I can't figure out how to do it. So I don't want to imply that it's hard to change your profile, but I'm having trouble doing it. So I might just cancel one subscription completely and just deal with this one at a time. Anyway, so Summer Glow Up is, I guess, maybe the theme. Oh, okay, so here's the, why do I always forget that? I'm like always surprised. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 6 items, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, or 9 items. So maybe the trendsetter gets the other 3 different ones. I don't know, but here we go. Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. What is this for? Oh, protein pack for intense moisture treatment to your hair. I let my hair be as natural as it wanted to be in Ireland, and it acted the fool. I don't know why I could not control it. Even when I blow dried it, I could not control it. So I just like sprayed the stuff and just let the curls flow. And you know, you look like a lot of people there. Like my hair matches my homeland. Like everybody has frazzled hair, and you know, who cares? You know, who cares? It's more to life than worrying about your hair. This is immediately after shampooing. Apply it generously and permeate 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll probably just take this in the shower. There are 2 of them, and just let my hair have at it. I would probably need 1, 2, 3, or 4 of these out of each. So since I have 2, I have at least a week's worth. If I look like a harlot, or as my grandma would say, you look like a harlot. I just did my Ipsy up and tried on some things, so that's why I looked a little. I used some of the things in dark. Matches my shirt though. Anyway, so Hello Vegan Lip Balm Sweet Mint. So yes, I have 2 of those. This one's open. So yes, I have 2 of those. I use a lot of Hello products, so these will be used just as well. Remember I told you last time I had so many of these that I was gonna just have it. I had 6, so now I have 8. So now I have a full week, and I can actually do the Monday through Friday. So I have them ready to go. I'll add these to it, and then maybe today I'll start with that. Anyway, so here's I should explain to you what these are, right? These are Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Pina Colada. Oh no, I didn't realize they had flavors. That's gonna be gross. I don't know if I can do that. All right, I'll see, maybe. So these are they just replenish your electrolytes and stuff. So I got 2 of these. These are adorable. Cetaphil. What are these? Oil-free facial. I'm having such a hard time seeing these days. Oil-free facial moisturizer. These are kind of a weird shape for facial moisturizer, but okay. Then I have 2 of these. Extra strength pain relief cream. Instant cooling with menthol. And normally if they have capsaicin, I am allergic to it. So I cannot. So no, well, I don't know. I'll have to read up. But these are by Sagely Extra Strength Pain Relief Cream, which comes in handy. A little funny story. My most favorite place on earth, and it's my Zen area, is a place called Glendalough, which is St. Kevin's monastic city. I have hurt myself all 4 times going to Ireland. 2 times now at St. Kevin's. The first time was last time we went in June, 3 years ago. I fell getting off the bus, twisted my ankle badly, and my good ankle, mind you. This time, and we had like the whole rest of the trip to go. It's like always the beginning I do this. However, this one was the day before the last day when we were leaving. So we're at the city. We take off from the tour because I'm a pro there. I know everything I need to know, right? So we take off and we're going through like the Heaven's Gate kind of thing that I call it. I'm not sure what the real name is, but it's when the monks enter the monastic city. You would have to give all your worldly possessions to the monks, and you know, carry on from that point on after you rub this cross for good luck or what have you. So there's just like 6 steps. There's kind of slippery because it's always raining. There's a handrail. I'm holding on the handrail. I get to the top and there's 1 step more to go, and I'm having a misfiring thing between my brain and my right foot, which has nerves that have been severed. So it's hard for my brain to pick up, my foot to pick up what my brain is saying. So I go to step, and right then I knew something wasn't right, because I see my foot go to step down, and I go, Rick, like that, and I just twisted, fell down onto the stairs. So now I'm like this on the stairs, and then I roll like a taquito all the way down. And so I first, you know, fell to my knees and then rolled like a taquito. So both of my knees are shot. I have like some major crazy bruising on my left foot. My right foot is just like, oh, I don't know what your problem is, because there ain't no damage to it at all. And I swear, like, I should have gotten x-rays of my shoulder blade. It hurts so bad that like I have to have my husband put on pain cream like so gingerly, that I just started getting the spray stuff because it hurt so bad to touch it. No bruise whatsoever, but yet the rest of my body is covered in bruises from falling. So that was fun. I think we might not go there the next time though. So yeah, anyway, Ireland was lovely. If I like to come back with injuries, but it was beautiful. It was 50 degrees cooler there than it is in my house. We had 112 degrees yesterday. Like, it's horrible. I hate summer. I told you that, right? Okay, so this is Ambi black soap with shea butter. These look like they're little big guys. Okay. With shea butter, gently clean, moisturize, and condition your skin with a unique beauty bar that uses natural ingredients to go beyond cleansing. That's fine. It's a little big though. My little raccoon hands, well, it kind of fits. It's this little black bar of Shea black soap with shea butter. Okay, so what did I get? I got this one, the Liquid IV. I got the Cetaphil oil-free facial moisturizer. I got the black soap by Ambi. I got the Palmer's cocoa butter. I got the lip gloss lippy thing from, who was it? Oh, Palmer's, right? So what I did not get is Arm & Hammer Complete Care. I did not get the Kiss Edge Fixer by Watermelon. Oh, and I did get this one right here. So there was 3 items. I didn't get the Arm & Hammer Complete Care, which it looks like it's for teeth. I did not get the Edge, which I think they're meaning for hair, because there's this Edge brush. Maybe it's because I think that would be for people with significantly more curly hair than I have. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, so those are the 3 things I did not get. That wouldn't be like Trendsetter versus anyway, all right, so that's that. Ambi black soap with shea butter. The Hello, whatever, the vegan lip balm, and I think mint. The Cetaphil facial moisturizer. The Liquid IV and Pina Colada, I don't know if I can do that. And these Palmer coconut oil formula for your hair, and the 2 pain relief creams. So that is it. Like I said in my other video, I'll put like a picture or 2 of what St. Kevin's place looked like. That way you can see the beautiful thing in which tried to kill me. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go comment on the giveaway for June. I'll be picking at the end of the month. So thank you guys for watching. Talk to you soon.